Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. In today's video I will show you some iPhone battery saving tips. So let's start the video. Tips number 1. Go to settings, scroll down, tap on battery, tap on battery health. Now turn on optimized battery charging. Tips number 2. Go to settings, scroll down, tap on privacy, scroll down, tap on motion and fitness. Now turn off fitness tracking. Tips number 3. Go to settings, scroll down, tap on privacy, tap on location services, scroll down, tap on system services, scroll down, turn off iPhone analytics, turn off routing and traffic. Tips number 4. Go to settings, scroll down, tap on privacy, scroll down, tap on location services, tap on system services. Now turn off Apple Pay merchant identification, turn off HomeKit, turn off location based alerts, turn off location based suggestion, turn off setting time zone, turn off networking and wireless. Tips number 5. Go to settings, scroll down, tap on music, tap on animated cover art, tap on off. Hopefully these tips will be very helpful in your battery savings. So this was today's video. Hope you liked the video. If you like, please like, comment, share and also subscribe Apple Info channel. Thanks for watching.